Live stream works? Amazing. I will not be yodeling unless you think this is yodeling. It's up to you.
Great job.
Woo! All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome. Welcome to the Hackathon. Welcome to Istanbul. It's so good to see you all out there, and it's so good to be here with you in beautiful Istanbul. If I haven't met you yet, I'm Amanda Bittaker. I'm the Chief of Staff in the Product and Technology Department at the Wikimedia Foundation, and I lead the developer outreach team there. Last night, I asked a lot of you what inspiring things I should say this morning. A lot of the answers were extremely direct. One of them was yodeling. One of them was say there is enough coffee, say there is good food, and say that you will keep it short, which I promise I will. One person said that they were inspired by being in Istanbul, that bridging the Bosphorus was a physical manifestation of bringing together different cultures and our different parts of the community. Another said that the number of attendees was inspiring. We have 212 hackers here, which is the most we've had of any hackathon. It's also very cool. One that really struck me was something that Sebrin said. So he said that this moment is inspiring, that it feels like a moment to persevere, that there are a lot of threats. It feels like there are a lot of threats out there right now, and that building new technology, what we're doing here this weekend, helps us overcome them. It's a really good reminder that our technical contributors, your technical contributions, make Wikipedia possible. So thank you. I talked with quite a few of you last year about why the hackathon is important. And we sort of coalesced around two really important goals for the hackathon. Oh, this is my hello, there's a cat. More good code in the Wikimedia ecosystem and stronger and longer connections between our technical contributors. So, over the next 3 days, hack. Work on the project you brought, work on one of the projects you hear about, build something cool with each other. And when you do, remember to bring folks along with you. Actively make this a space where people feel safe and included. One beautiful piece of advice from one of the longtime attendees that I heard was when you form a circle, when you're standing in a social group talking, make it a Pac-Man circle. So there's a little open wedge where people can come and join you, which I thought was really nice. So let's make this a space where we can build both amazing things and amazing relationships. I'm really looking forward to spending the next 3 days with you. Thanks, y'all. I know this is really important. It doesn't really fit here in the presentation, but we wanted to get it up to you early, so here's the Wi-Fi if you don't have it yet. And I would like to hand it over to Başak, who is going to run through an introduction from Wikimedia Turkey. Thanks. Okay.
Hello, everyone. This is Başak. I'm here on behalf of Wikimedia Community User Group Turkey. And it's a great pleasure to welcome you in Istanbul for this exciting Wikimedia Hackathon. Here in Turkey, we have a small but very enthusiastic group of volunteers contributing to various Wikimedia projects. And since 2015, we have a user group supporting this growing community with its activities, which brings together contributors from different fields of knowledge. We mostly work at universities. Our members go from campus to campus. We have more than 200 universities in this country and more than 7 million university students. So we go from campus to campus to inspire students and academics for contributing to Wikimedia projects. We are also very proud of vibrant civil society in this country, and we build partnerships with civil organizations to bring their knowledge and perspectives to Wikimedia projects. And of course, as a user group, we are eager to learn from and contribute to broader Wikimedia movement. Therefore, we encourage our members to be a part of international events, and we are thrilled to organize events in our country. Since 2023, we have organized 3 international events in Istanbul, and it's a very special moment for us. This event is the largest event we ever hosted in Istanbul. So your presence and your really gives strength to our group. It's a beautiful city which has been a meeting point of cultures for thousands of years. I believe it will bring inspiration to you as well. I would like to thank my colleagues Zafer, Jale, Hakan, Caner for their efforts in organizing this event. And we will be here during all Hackathon. You can ask your questions about the city, about going around. I hope you will have time. Our volunteers will also be around. I hope you will have time to see and inspire from the beauty of the city as well. So ayağınıza sağlık, as we say in Turkish. Health, we may health to your health for your job. Thank you for your journey to here. And we wish you success in the hackathon. And I give microphone. Okay, this is Artie.
So let's talk about logistics. Let's talk about logistics. I'm a soft talker, so sorry, I had to get really close. Anyway, logistics, everyone's favorite part here. Again, this is a showcase. We are recording right now live. What's actually shown right now is me and the screens, so you guys are not on there. As you come forward a little bit later on for the project pitches, you will be on screen. So, but we'll talk about that here. So closing ceremony is also going to be, is that better? I think so. Closing showcase will also be recorded. So go ahead and look at that. We'll have the link for that a little bit later on in the event. And all the other sessions that we have, the unconference sessions, the regular sessions, will not be recorded. So anyway, there's plenty of ways to interact with your fellow contributors here. So you can do it on Fabricator, you can do it on Telegram IRC, you can do it on Commons with your tags, and you can do it in person, because we are all here. Do you need support? Do you want to give support? Come to the help desk if you have any questions whatsoever. You can go ahead and just literally go there. There should be someone there for the entire event, and they can get a hold of anyone else here. You can also email us at hackathon@wikimedia.org, or you can also reach out to people wearing the green safety vest, Trust and Safety, or purple t-shirt. So everyone who's an organizer right now in Trust and Safety, can you stand up? Just so that you guys can see all of us. So we are the light purple shirts. Also, we do have some COVID tests and masks at the help desk if you need that. And we also have CO2 monitors in all the 4 main rooms. So it does actually have a label of WMF, so please don't think it's yours and take it away. But it also has an instruction QR code right next to it. So if you're curious about how the CO2 monitors work, you can actually log in and see it. So we are right now on the B1 level. So this is called the ballroom that we have, and then we have gate 1, 2, 3, which is literally right around the other side of this foyer out here. You might have already seen it. That's going to be more of a quieter hacking room. It'll hold about 100 people. This room holds just over 200. So if you want to still hack, but you want to go with people, but you don't want to necessarily be in this room because it might be too loud, go on over there. And also, this is the same level that the Terra restaurant is on that we'll be having lunch and dinner with. The hacking rooms, it's going to be on your left side of the screen here. So the A&A room on the bottom, the Istanbul room, those are both where all these sessions will be held. Sessions, unconference sessions, that type of thing. The schedule is on the wiki. We also have a nice quiet room that you can go into. And then the winter garden is where some snacks will be done. I don't know exact times that they'll be there, but the view is amazing. So just go on out there. You can go out on the terrace. And one of the things that I also want to point out to you behind me here on my right side is a Paris terrace where you can actually go in between our level here upstairs to the winter garden terrace. So if you want a little shortcut so you don't have to go through the actual building itself, you can go ahead and do that. That's also where smoking is allowed. It's not allowed in here. And if you do go outside to smoke, make sure that the doors are closed. Rooms and times. This room will be open all day and all night, tonight and Saturday. We will close on Sunday night at 5 p.m. because we want everyone to get to the boat tour on time. There's going to be coffee and tea all day and night. So if there's something that we've run out of something, please let one of the organizing team know, and we'll go ahead and talk to the hotel for you. Breakfast, you might have noticed if you're a guest here at the hotel, you were able to eat for free. It's already included in your account. And then again, lunch and dinner is also here for Friday and Saturday night. The group photo will be literally, you can't really see it right now because we've got our curtains closed, but it's going to be right directly outside this door on this level. And there's a little raised stage out there that we're going to go ahead and meet and then have the group photo there. Please go ahead and wear your Hackathon shirts if you want, or any Hackathon shirt, just so that we can show that. Sunday, the boat tour. More to come on that later on. And we've also got everything about the boat tour on Wiki as well, but that's going to be Sunday. Photo policy. So we have a few different colors of lanyards right now. The red ones are no photos at all times. If you really want to take a photo, or if you want to be in the group photo, please remove your red lanyards during that, because otherwise it'll cause confusion for people on Commons when we post it. Anyone with a blue or a white lanyard like I'm wearing are good for photos. So always, as always, when you take a picture, try not to get anyone that's with their mouth full, maybe in a weird position, something like that. It's just good common courtesy. And now we're going to move on to trust and safety.
Hello everyone. So now a few general pieces of advice and information regarding safety from the event's Trust and Safety team. I'm Chmielko Maślak from Wikimedia Foundation's Trust and Safety team. So if anyone would like to report something safety related or talk about trust and safety stuff in general, you can please feel welcome to find me here. And now a few general tips related to safety. If you could play next slide. Okay. Oh, perfect. All right. So, as you have been informed, and as you see, this hotel is a safe space, but it is also a public space with a lot of people moving through all the floors. So if you see people here who do not appear to be with the hackathon, you can tell the people from the organizing team or trust and safety team at the help desk. The exception from this is the gate 4 room, which, as I am told, might be used by another group as well. Another thing is that as it is a public space, please remember to look after your stuff, your devices, etc. And please don't leave them unattended. If you do, but don't, but if you do, you can, and they get lost, you can go to the help desk outside of this room to ask for lost and found items. One small other tip is that, as you see, there is a lot of cables here, so be careful about them, right? And with that, I will pass mic to Amir for a little bit more detailed safety guidelines.
Hello, can you see the slide? Yeah, okay, now you can see the slides. So, first of all, it seems there has been a confusion. This is a Wikimedia hackathon, and the goal is to hack MediaWiki, but not to get hacked. So, ha ha ha. Anyway, so I want to say a couple of basic device security and safety. First is that please make sure your laptop and your devices and your software is using the most updated version, so you know there is no vulnerability known, makes things much easier. And please just enable 2FA as much as you can in any place that you use. If you want to use this and key encryption as needed, and then, as I said, people have said, don't leave your devices unsupervised. Hey, he's gone. Anyway, don't leave it unsupervised. That's very important, especially unlocked, especially if you have root. But also avoid using public Wi-Fi, hotspot, and random things that you see in the outside. Just use the approved conference Wi-Fi instead. And especially avoid using mobile devices for sensitive activities, and use your laptop instead as much as possible, and keep the data in one place so it gets stolen less. The other thing I wanted to say is that if you have sensitive rights, whether staff or volunteer, we can give you a YubiKey so you can safeguard your systems. If you want to know about device safety, device security, or YubiKey or 2FA or anything like that, you can talk to me or Sam. Sam, can you raise your hand? Yeah, that's Sam. Yeah, please reach out to us. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. So as you can see by looking at this very visible, nice fest, I am one of the trust and safety persons here at the event. So, and also as you already know by now, we are enforcing 3 main policies around this space. One is Universal Code of Conduct, another is Friendly Space Policy, and another one is Tech Code of Conduct, since it's Hackathon and technical space. Now we can also, okay, cool. So, all right, so there are only 2 trust and safety folks attending this event, and this is really a large event, and the room, alignment is like we have 3 or 4 rooms for our four rooms. So it's going to be very difficult for 2 of us to be present in all the spaces at once. So it falls on all of us to look out for concerning things. And really, I have one request to you all, so that we have really comfortable and enjoyable hackathon, is that be nice, and that's just it. Now, mandatory reminder for you all, accept all those, that some of the examples that of the event safety related violations include invading of personal space, interpersonal conflict, verbal harassment, physical harassment, sexual harassment, physical safety. For example, any dangerous items is not allowed within the conference space. For example, gun, obviously, knife. If you see those items, please report to one of the organizers, and then we'll call the security. In terms of enforcing the UCOC, Tech Code of Conduct, and event-friendly space policy, depending on the severity of the issues, we may issue verbal warnings, we may remove someone from the space, or we may need to call security and involve local law enforcement. But first request, going back to the first request, be nice to each other and enjoy the conference and hack. And that's all. Thank you so much.
Right, so just building up on what Nahid just said, everyone here is required to follow the policies, the Universal Code of Conduct, the Friendly Space Policy, and Technical Code of Conduct. Just like Nahid said, it's not rocket science, right? Just be nice to each other and not be not nice to each other. Information about those policies can be found under this address that you have there. If you encounter any kind of violation of those policies, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, find us. You can recognize us from those, I think, quite visible clothes, but also you can reach out to us privately via Telegram channel that we use for reporting incidents, as well as via email to the organizing team that is there. There is also a QR code, and it should be printed somewhere outside, I think, as well. Yes, so that's all. don't hesitate to reach out to us, to find us, to talk to us. We are here for you. Please enjoy. And Karen.
Hi, everyone. I hope, yeah, can you hear me okay? Yeah? Perfect. So one of the things we want you to know is earthquake preparedness. What to do in case of an emergency. In case of an emergency, please exit through the main entrance of the hotel. You're going to see a park right in front of the hotel. It's basically crossing the street. So just go there in case of an emergency. When in doubt, just look at the ocean, run to the other side. That's basically what you have to know. If you have more questions, please let one of the organizers know. We are here to assist, or we can redirect you with hotel people that can go over evacuation and other emergency exits. So program. You're probably already very familiar with the program that we have today and tomorrow and Sunday. But for Friday, we're going to have hacking all day. There are going to be a couple of sessions that you can just go to the official Media Wiki page for the hackathon and you will be able to see them there. We're going to have lunch and dinner. 12:30 is lunch and 6:30 is your dinner. Please wear your badges. I know we had a couple of hiccups yesterday for entering dinner. Today you're not going to need your name, you're just going to need your badge. So please make sure to wear it or you won't have access to food and that would be a tragedy. Yeah, we don't want that. So Saturday is going to be also hacking all day. We're going to have the group photo. So as Deb said, please use your either this year's hackathon shirt or any hackathon shirt that you would like to show off. 12 is going to be the group photo. We're going to have it outside of the hotel so we can have a nice sea view. And we are also going to have late and early hours on Saturday. We're going to be around. So if you need anything also at night, we have our late shifts here. Sessions, you're also going to have sessions, so refer to the Media Wiki page to get more information on that. And on Sunday, hacking will be until 2 p.m. because we have our final showcase at 2 p.m. and it will end at 4 p.m. So we're going to have to get out of the hotel to the boat tour, the boat dinner at 5 p.m. And the boat tour will be from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. We will have more information on this as we get closer to Sunday. So yeah, you will hear from us on this. Now, volunteering. We had a lot of volunteers this year. We have volunteer coordinators. Here's the list, basically. But if you have any questions, then I will ask people to raise their hands when I name them. Mehman, we have Carly, we have Rashid, we have Nahid and Kimelko, we have Deb, and I am here for logistics. But again, if you have any questions and you don't see someone around, just come to any one of us that has a purple shirt and we'll be able to help you or redirect you to the right person. So thank you. I will pass it over to Sibran for the projects.
Hello, good morning. It's great to see you all again, and I want to introduce you to Brian Davis. Brian Davis, Brian Davis is one of the unicorns in our movement, and a big fan of unicorns in general, I understand. He has stickers if you want. Brian is going to help us do the logistics of this part where everybody gets 30 seconds to introduce themselves, to ask what they need help for, to offer help on whatever you want, or, well, basically it's your 30 seconds, so do with it whatever you think is best for you. There's one person in this room. The microphone. Next slide. Right, yeah. There's one person in this room who has so much to say that 30 seconds usually does not suffice. And us being a fairly democratic movement, I want to give us the opportunity to vote on whether that person gets a minute instead of 30 seconds this time. Anyone who knows who I'm talking about? It's Amir, of course. So, can I see a show of hands? Who wants Amir to get a minute instead of 30 seconds today? Yeah? And who thinks that Amir should be just like anyone else and get 30 seconds? All right, that's quite clear. So, Amir, you got a minute today. Yeah? Woo! Yeah, so you volunteer through that side. Don't make the queue too long. Keep a queue of 4 or 5 people, and after 30 seconds we'll applaud you off the stage. So, who's going to be first? Is that James Forrester? Yes, it's first come, first serve. And we have Lucas. We need a queue because it's starting. And the oh yeah, it's James.
Hi everyone, I'm James Forrester. I work for the Wikimedia Foundation on the Abstract Wikipedia team. Microphone. I am too tall for this microphone. I'm sorry. I'm James Forrester. I'm working at the Wikimedia Foundation on the Abstract Wikipedia team. I would love to work with anyone who's interested in wiki functions and Abstract Wikipedia. I'm also familiar with an awful lot of everything else, so if you want to talk to me about Gerrit or GitLab or CI or MediaWiki or production or anything else, please talk to me. I'm here to help. Thank you.
This will help. Yeah, come on.
Hi, I'm Kim Sarabia, and I'm building a browser extension. Oh, I'm as staff, Wikimedia Foundation, web experience, software engineer. And yeah, I'm working on a lightweight tool that runs on English Wiki and quietly flags gendered or outdated language, terms like manpower, unmanned, female scientists, phrases that don't directly work with our Wikipedia's manual of style. So if you're interested in joining me, my IRC is Kimberly, KIMBERLY_Sarabia, SARABIA.
Hi, I'm Lucas Bergmeister, 3 projects in 30 seconds. I want to try making language names in the CLDR extension translatable on TranslateWiki. I've tried that for the past 2 hackathons already. Maybe I'll get there this time. I want to move a project that's currently hosted on GitHub to Wikimedia GitLab, so I could maybe use some help on the CI, and especially if you know how to get docs onto doc.wikimedia.org, that would probably help a lot. And also, if you want an invite code to the wikis.world Mastodon server, you can talk to me or probably also to Tavi, and we can give you an invite code. Thank you.
We will be using the handheld microphone because the stand isn't sufficient.
Hi everyone, I'm Isabelle Hurmain-Palatin. I am a foundation software engineer. I work on the Parseroid team, and we are going to deploy Parseroid reviews. So Parseroid as default parser for every wiki page on all wikis, hopefully in the next months, years, whatever. It is an ongoing thing. If you do have any concerns about any bots, gadgets, APIs, workflows that would not necessarily be working right now with Parseroid, talk to me and we are going to, well, either fix it or make a plan.
Hi, I'm Vera. Next month it will be 15 years since I created my account on in the Wikimedia project. I'm also like code, and I've made like several web applications and gadgets that I'm the only maintainer for, so I should probably work on like not being the only one maybe. And I only have sometimes time to work on them, so there's bugs to fix always, and then fix the bugs that are created when I make patches, like always.
Hey everyone, I'm Haley. I'm a product manager on the mobile apps team at the foundation. The project I'm interested to work on is about prototyping an upload flow to Commons within the actual native iOS Wikipedia app. So transferring one of the existing flows over, and Marina can tell us.
Yeah, if you have experience using Commons APIs to upload images from client applications, talk to me because I need you.
Yeah, so any folks from the Android Commons app who are here, we would love to connect with you, and also anyone who's interested to learn more about contributing to the apps. Thank you.
Mind the step. Yeah.
Oh, hey everyone, I'm Dimitri. I'm also with the Wikimedia Apps team. And together with Haley and Marina, we're going to be hosting a session on games. These are games involving content from Wikipedia, or from Wikidata, or from Commons. So if you have ideas for games, or if you want to see what we've got going, come find us. Thanks.
Hi everyone, I'm Katie Fulbert. I'm now working on the chart extension, which is like a replacement for the graph extension. Like we're working on like during the week on new chart types, as well as like we're interested in like tools and gadgets like that make it easier to work with tabular data on Commons and the charts, and anything that would help make migrating the old graphs that are all over Wikipedia. So I work with the chart extension. Like we're also interested in that. So like, yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm Hallie. I'm a product manager for MediaWiki Interfaces, and I have two pitches for you. First, if you're passionate about API documentation and want to learn how to do some front-end engineering using Codex, we will be having a project to basically build an API sandbox using Codex. We recently launched the Swagger UI version of the REST sandbox, and we basically want to evolve that to use Codex instead, so it'll be fully translatable and super awesome. So if you're interested in that, come find me. And my second pitch is I am conducting an API listening tour. So if you have pain points or ideas or concerns about anything related to APIs, please do come talk to me. That's it.
The videographers have asked whether you would like to stand close to the stand. So not a distance from the stand, but like right at the stand. Thank you.
Hello, I'm William, username DreamerJazz. So I work at the Foundation and Trust and Safety product team. So if you have any questions about temporary accounts, come to me. I'm going to work on writing tests and maintenance scripts in core. It's a bit boring, but I like it. So if you've got any questions about testing, maintenance scripts, things like that, come to me, or just in general about any extensions that we maintain. So thank you.
Hello everyone. Okay, here, it's okay. So hello everyone, my name is Nathan. I'm with a team from King's College London. We're developing Provy, which is a gadget for trying to verify external references. And we need some help from you for developing a new interface, because we're not good at it. And also other things like verifying other external references that are not that good with LLMs or general AI. So thank you all.
Dan. I've been working on a suggestion engine for helping people find the right categories and depict statements for the structured data on Commons, for both while uploading and when pictures are already uploaded. And I would like to take that to the next level and make it an API endpoint, if that's feasible. And therefore, it can use some help with setting up a ToolForge server and making an API endpoint. So the logic is already there, but there's still some infrastructure to do. Thank you.
Thanks, Sam. We're dealing with physical logistics. Be careful. Yep.
Hello, I'm Bernard from Vienna, Austria. My username is my last name, Krabina. I'm from the MediaWiki stakeholders group. There are more than 60,000 MediaWiki installations out there sharing free knowledge, and we want them to be heard as well. I want to work on semantic MediaWiki. I have a session today at 11:45. So if you want to know what semantic MediaWiki is, how it differs to Wikibase, feel free to join my session. And also if you're interested in improving some of the semantic extensions, there are around 20 or so. Feel free to contact me, and I'm happy to join in with you.
Hi, my name is Derek. I'm a designer at the Wikimedia Foundation. I help maintain and manage codecs. So if anyone needs or wants any codex support, I'm here to help you. I have this shirt that says codex on it. I'll wear it the whole hackathon, so find me and ask me for help. Aside from that, I'll also be trying to make some design decisions around visual diff styling, specifically red or green, blue or yellow. So if you have any feelings, opinions, or thoughts, or want to help make those decisions, please, now's your chance. It would be great to have your input. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Elliot. I'm here with Daniel. We're the programmers on Future Audiences, which is a team investigating future products within the foundation. The product that we're going to try to build today, I think is going to take its form as we work on it, but the early inspiration is something along the lines of like a Twitter or Blue Sky trending feed, something along those lines. So we want to leverage real-time data, in particular the stream of real-time edits to articles, and make decisions about how to present that information in a compelling way and in a way that like updates in a kind of like interesting, eye-catching way, possibly on the homepage, possibly on articles, something along those lines.
Hi, I'm Max or Chrisbaum, and this is a project that actually started, I think, 2 hackathons ago, and it's maybe finally coming to a point. It's a native Android and soon-ish iOS app, also web, for creating games, which was also a topic, I think, earlier, that contribute back to Wikimedia in any way, and it's based on creating only CSV tables for ease of getting into it. So if anyone wants to talk or try it out, would be great. Also, unlinked Wikibase documentation would be on my to-do list for this. So if anyone's interested, feel free to reach out.
Yes, thank you. Hello, I'm Ferdinando from Wikimedia Italy. We have developed a new web app for Wikilove's Monuments that is currently being used by Wikimedia Italy and Wikimedia Ireland, and we would like to improve it and add more features and maybe make it available for more countries. So if you want to work on Wikilove's Monuments, reach out to me. We have Python, Django as backend, and React as frontend. So if you feel comfortable, or even if you don't feel comfortable with those technologies, reach out to me to work on Wikilove's Monuments. Thank you.
Careful getting down.
Hello, I'm James Hare. I'm working on a few different things. I have a database of citations that appear on English Wikipedia articles, present and past. I'm looking for people to test it and tell me what's wrong with it. If you're interested in citations and source metadata, talk to me. If you're interested in a Wikidata query service that has an unsplit graph, talk to me. If you want to build a query service that has more stuff in it than just Wikidata, then talk to me as well. Thank you.
28 seconds.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Nokib Sarkar from Wikilab's Folklore technical team, and I with my friend would like to develop, extend the functionality of a tool we developed in Go language, CampWiz, and since now it is open source and under open source license, and you are free to participate or help us out if you know Golang. And another announcement is that from Wikilabs Folklore, we would like to host a, you can say like task competition or this, where we would get a list of tasks, and if you can solve or improve the task, we would like to give you a small nice gift, and that's it. Thank you very much.
Okay, my name is Jorge Gemeto. I am from Wikimedistas de Uruguay. And well, I invite you to join the group that will be working on a tool called Paulina. This is a tool for, it is a Wikidata-based tool to search for authors and identify works that are in public domain and all GLAM stuff. We will be working in over a list of tasks, and so if you like Wikidata, the Wikidata API, Python, Flask, so reach out to us.
Hi, my name is Wenjin, and I work for a Wikimedia Foundation fundraising team. And the project I want to work on is a feature flagging or A/B testing tool, which is named the Growth Book. Anyone, if they have a user story to share, or anyone from the wiki production team, because I know we are adapting this for the self-service Growth Book. So anyone want to help for the integration for the Growth Book, we will just use this one for the internal tester for any feature in the wiki core. Thank you.
Find your step. We're not in a rush, so you can just scoot over here.
Okay. Hello. My name is Ranjit Suji. I'm from Kerala. I'm the person who bring back the game Everything is Connected, created by Denny Branzage. If you don't know the game, just go to Everything is Connected to .toolforge.org. And I welcome everybody to make more games in Everything is Connected. And I'm currently working on a tool called a Wikisource Review tool. That tool will help you to conduct an editathon in Wikisource. Yeah, there was already a tool, but that's very old and need more features right now. So I'm working on that tool.
Hi, I'm Elias. I work on the machine learning team at the Wikimedia Foundation, and I'd like to pitch two potential projects. One has to do with a model registry that we can use as a central repository for our models, and the other is to explore ideas on how we can detect policy violations on edits and how we can surface them to users, maybe using the visual editor. So talk to me. I'm interested in anything related to machine learning, so please reach out. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sudhanshu, and I'm a designer at Foundation, and I work with the language and product localization team. So if you have questions or if you want to brainstorm around content translation tool, I'll be happy to discuss that. Also the recently added custom topic suggestions. And I'm also looking forward to support some of the work, especially I think there's some design work in the Paulina tools. I'll be happy to help in that. And also there is an AI image filter we are looking to add into the media search. So happy to look into that as well.
Hi, I'm Krishna Chaitanya. I work with the product analytics team at the Wikimedia Foundation. As some of you know, we have a public superset instance on Toolforge now. So the broad goal is we want to migrate a couple of dashboards, but we want to more importantly learn what's possible and what's not with the instance. So if you're interested in metrics, measurements, and data analysis and visualization, please reach out. Thank you.
Manchester.
Hello, this is user Olea, but you can call me Ismael. I made a call for action for Wikibase, for doing a set of Wikibase things. I was expected to organize the Wikibase Thon and I failed. I need to contact with the Wikibase developers also, and please join us in the briefing session in the conference in the Ankara room in some minutes. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Corey Massaro. I'm from the Abstract Wikipedia team. I work on wiki functions. We only support Python and JavaScript right now. This is a huge problem. We need to support 1 million programming languages. So if you'd like to add support for another programming language, that's something I'd like to work on. We also have a bunch of incredible hidden features that nobody knows about. We should also document those. So that's what I'd like to do.
Adam, didn't you say something about API generators yesterday?
Yeah. Namaste. I am Gopa from Indic Media Wiki Developers User Group. Recently, I have been working on a tool called Translate Tagger to help mark the wiki pages with translate tags easier. So I am looking for some help here to provide the feedback as well as build improvise a tool further. So any translate admins or interested folks, please do find out to me and talk to me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Arthur from Wikimedia Brazil. I'll be working on Quick Statements 3.0, the new version of the popular Wikibase batch editing tool. I'll be creating a statistics page, so if you have experience building graphs in a Django app, let me know, I would love some feedback. And if you ever want to delve in the code base, I'm available as well. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Derek. I work with the Wikimedia Foundation as part of the MediaWiki platform team. Please, if you're here and you want to set up MediaWiki on your computer, on your laptop, please feel free to reach out to me and I can give you some help. Thank you.
Adishat everyone. So I'm Hugo Lopez. I'm part of the Wikimedia Language Diversity Hub. And what we do is, while we are all here talking in English, it's also important to support smaller language. So we have initiative to document and promote smaller language. And for this hackathon, we will be working on 2 tools. The first one is Lingua Libre. It's a tool to audio record words and sentences in many languages. So we will push for a new language version. Is it already finished? No, finished. Oh, okay. And the other one is for Sign language. Thank you. So you can come if needed.
Hello, my name is Mikola. I am collaborator of the research team, and I have 2 projects in mind for the hackathon. One is the improving the multilingual rewrite risk model, and another is building the tool, the text-to-speech, to make the audio version for the articles. But it will benefit a lot from the user experience, design, and implementation. So if you want to help with that, I will be happy to collaborate. Thank you.
Cool.
Hi, I'm Marius. I work with AutoWiki Browser with Sam. So we are open here. We are here open for suggestions and ideas. We won't implement, but we are still open for if you have any questions and any suggestions. We are here to listen to them. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Valerio. Super happy to be here from Italy. If you love Fabricator or if you hate Fabricator, join the Fabricator Forge, really, in the name, table for a code sprint and a code review. The next table of Forge is in 2 weeks, probably. So good to know. Other challenge, I would like to integrate the O embed protocol in MediaWiki. So I need some help maybe for APIs and things. Thank you.
Get ready for 1 minute of excitement.
Hi, you know my name. I'm the Amir of Databases in Wikimedia Foundation. In the SRE team, I'm the person who gets woken up when there's an issue. So I've been in the movement around 20 years now, so it's like you can talk to me about a lot of stuff from SRE to infrastructure, databases, to performance, MediaWiki, or anime, or anything, like, basically. So if you don't, okay. So if you, I have a long list, like I think 15 already. So if you need to do anything and you're bored, I have something for you probably. So that's it. Thank you.
That was like less than 40 seconds, right?
Unbelievable. Hello. We are the Wikimedia editing team. I'm Ed Sanders. This is David Chan and David Lynch. I think I got that right around. And we're responsible for the visual editor, discussion tools, and a few other things. And here's our pitch. Microsoft Clippy, powered by ChatGPT on Wikipedia. No? Okay. Something like that. We're working on a project called Edit Check. It's about talking to users while they're editing, surfacing policy, preventing them from making mistakes before they publish, and helping experienced users have fewer edits to revert. So it could be sort of telling people to add a reference or use neutral language. We're going to have a session tomorrow at 11, I think. So come and talk to us about that or anything visual editor related. Cool? Let's stick it.
Yeah, okay. Hello, my name is Lina, and this is Mel. We're from the Technical Wishes team at Germany, Wikimedia Germany, and we're working right now on citations and references. We've got a really cool prototype for a new feature in Visual Editor. We'd love to show it to you, so if you're interested, please find us. We're also interested in listening to you and figuring out what problems you see with references, what ideas you have to improve them. So please come talk to us, Mel, myself, or Elina. Thank you.
Mind your step.
Hello, I'm Kevin Piravi, aka Super Hamster. One of my hats is Wiki Portraits, where we send commons photographers to events like film festivals and conferences to take photos of people. We like to do structured data on commons, adding depict statements to all the portraits we take of people, but a lot of people don't have Wikidata items yet. So we'd like to come up with like the easiest possible semi-automated workflow to create Wikidata items for the people we photograph in bulk, something that maybe ends up in quick statements or something. So if anyone has any ideas or kind of is familiar with building these workflows, please come find me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Harry, and my Fabricator username is BHSD. I work on Wikitext language service, including the MediaWiki Code Mirror extension, a VS Code extension for Wikitext, and also a Tool Hub web app to list additional linked errors. And I have developed an alternative parser in TypeScript, which outputs an AST. It can be used both in Node.js and in browser. So please find me if you find it potentially useful. Thank you.
Like here? Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Birgit. I work at the Wikimedia Foundation, and I'm part of a group that developed an action plan to deal with significant issues that crawlers have on our infrastructure. And if you want to learn more about that and take a break from hacking, we have various sessions today and tomorrow, both on the sticks and on the carrot side of the action plan. And starting off with an overview after lunch, and a discussion where we invite you to join to give input, and tomorrow also an API session. So welcome everyone. Also, you can just come and hang out with us.
Cool. Thanks, Richie. Mind your step.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Thiago from Brazil. We'll be organizing a session on Sunday morning about Wikimedia tech landscape in Latin America. It will be in Portuguese and Spanish, so if you're interested in Latin America, in Wikimedia tech, and, well, perhaps in Portuguese and Spanish, join us at the session or talk to me earlier so we can connect. Thanks.
Mind your step.
Hi, I'm Tavi. I'm an SRE in Wikimedia Cloud Services, so if you need help with WMCS or SRE things in general, feel free to find me. Also, I maintain the Debian packages for MediaWiki. There's a session about that on Sunday. Come to if you're interested in distributing MediaWiki. And as a part of that, I want to make the MediaWiki release tarbals bit for bit reproducible. Thank you.
Cool. Brilliant.
Hello, I'm Shahriar from Iranian Wikimedia and user group. Okay. Hello, I'm Shahriar from Iranian Wikimedia and user group. I'm thinking of minimizing the use of third-party apps like Google services, such as Google Docs, Google Forms. And currently, I am working on a ticket reservation tool that respects on users' privacy. So if you have concerns about user privacy and the apps that can maintain the integrity of Foundation's work, I'm here. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm working with Heli on all things related to APIs. So if you have been using the Action API for ages and you're wondering why we need the REST API as well, or you've been using the REST API and you're wondering what this strange beast the Action API is, or if you're wondering what our increased efforts to get more of a handle on who is using our APIs, how much, what that may mean to you, come and see me, talk to me. Right.
Hi everyone, my name is Jayaprakash. My project is the montage photo jury tool. So recently I wrote, rewrote the front end in the Vue.js with the codex. So if you are interested in that, because we have some bugs and feature to add in that new tool. So if you are interested, just contact me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm David Caro. I'm an SRE for Wikimedia Foundation, and she said hi. I'm part of the cloud services team. We are a few of us here, like there's Arturo there, and there's Tavi around somewhere there. The hand up. If you have any issues with cloud services like Cloud VPS, ToolForge, or anything, feel free to reach to us or ask us anything about it. On the ToolForge side, we also started working on ToolForge UI revamp, and Sarah can tell you more.
Yes, so the cloud services team has been working on providing UI to operate ToolForge tools. We've been working on the discovery, and we have an initial design prototype for it. And I'm a designer, by the way, so we're here to test that prototype with anyone interested in finding out how to operate, how would that work to operate tools from web interface. So yeah, anyone interested in helping us validate, we'll be around. Yep, thank you.
Or I can give you a hand if you want.
Thank you. Hi everyone, this is Bhuvna from India. This is my second time to the Wikimedia Hackathon. Thank you for having me here, and I'm interested to collaborate more ideas on the project called the Wiki for All, which I've been doing this in my region for, it's for students, undergrads and postgrads, collaboratively with universities and academia to learn about MediaWiki. So I would like to invite ideas on how the challenges and ways to approach academia and training programs or resources for this. Yeah, all right, thank you.
You can go off there.
Hi, I'm Jinoy. I'm from India. I'm part of Wikimedia Sokala user group. So on the last Wikidata birthday, we have created a portal recent changes to visualize those on the maps. So I'm planning to get more like features on the portal. So the idea is like getting coordinates information on the Wikidata and show how much edit has been done. So I'm planning to implement those features like including other wikis, how much edit has been done, and visualize those information on maps. So I like doing visualization on the maps part. So I like to get the help from the and ideas from the other people to what all features can be incorporated on that tool. So that's it. Thank you.
Cool. Thank you.
Good morning, I'm Tom, or you can find me under T-Arrow as my username. I work for Wikimedia Germany on the Wikibase cloud team. You could talk to me about Wikidata and Wikibase. You could particularly talk to me about Wikibases that aren't Wikidata, if you need a Wikibase that isn't Wikidata for testing or something like that. If you want to adapt tools to work on other Wikibases than Wikidata, or if you want to query or build tools between Wikidata and other Wikibases. And finally, you could talk to me about running MediaWiki on Kubernetes if you're not the foundation.
6 seconds left. Very good. Mate.
Hello, I'm Mate. I'm a software engineer in the Trust and Safety product team, and you all probably know the SecurePol extension. You use it every year to vote for our board members, and some wikis would also like to start using it for local administrator elections. We would like to help make that happen and maybe fix and improve a couple of things along the way. So if you're interested, please reach out to me, or you can find Novam Lingwe, an administrator and volunteer. He's also in this crowd somewhere. So yeah, SecurePol, if you're interested, please drop us a line. Thank you.
Thank you, Matej. Mind your step.
It's Elwin Woman. I'm working with Quechua language, supporting the Quechua language and Wikidata exams. So my task for these days would be to figure it out. What are the best approaches, tools, methods that you are using for integrating your languages into the Wikidata exam? So if you have any ideas, please help me on this journey. Thank you.
Do you have a red language? Or make sure you guys stand in front.
Hi, I'm Wolfgang, and this is my wife Maria. For vacation, we go places by train and by e-bike. We document things with Semantic MediaWiki, Wikidata, and OpenStreetMap. And to plan, we need federated queries, just like the Snap query last year. And then you can do things like whiskey distilleries in Scotland, thermal baths in Tuscany, or old railway tracks in northern Spain. What's your idea for your next vacation? We're going to help.
Oh, that's great. Next up is Anton.
Hello, I'm Anton, user Tohaomk from Ukraine. So in interest of being brief, I just pinned some keywords: bots, web scraping, user scripts, Lua modules. If those words ring any bells to you, feel free to reach out to me and we can cooperate on them.
Nice. Mind your step.
Hello, I'm Philippe. I'm the AI project manager at Wikimedia Deutschland. We're working on an AI project to make Wikidata more accessible with semantic search and natural language processing. So if you're interested to know more about the project, feel free to reach out. And we have a prototype right now. If you want to test it out and give us your feedback, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.
So I'm Sam Reed, Reedy, as most of you know you. If you need rights or access to something, you need CI to get working, come find me. I can help with that. Deployments, code. Somebody's told me I should be doing some work while I'm here, so I am here as part of the security team. There's a new initiative to try and get more two-factor in. Sorry Gergo, sorry Tavi in advance. If you've got a weird device that will do passkeys and WebAuthn, we'd love you to test it and create bugs. And I have YubiKeys if you've got advanced rights on any of the projects or shell access. So please come feel free to come find me.
Thanks, Sam. We have about 2 spots left at the end of the current queue, and that's what we can do in this session. So if you want to present, be one of those 2, please.
Hi. Oh, that's quite loud. I'm Ollie. I work on the Wikibase data reuse team at Wikimedia Germany. We've been working on the REST API. So if you're interested in porting a tool or creating a new tool that uses that, please come talk to me. I can help out. I'm also interested if you currently use the Wikibase Action API. If you love it, if you hate it, please come and tell me why. Or if you've got feedback for any of the other data reuse tools, query service, data dumps, that kind of stuff. Thank you. Have a good hackathon.
Cheers, Ollie.
Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is André Barbosa, or my nickname is Alquimista. If anyone needs help for bots, mostly on PyWikiBot or data management, I'm here to help. And during this session, I will be working on a tool to monitor to compare databases, which means, for example, CLAM institutions donates data to Wikidata, and then I'm trying to make a tool to monitor that. Okay.
Hello, my name is Stefan Zippold, username Acreon. I have no formal connection to Wikimedia Foundation yet. I came here on my own initiative to present my work. The presentation will be tomorrow. It's about Wikidata processing. So the project name is Zelf. It's able to process the complete Wikidata tree in its JSON representation, 1.7 terabyte, to find contradictions and do other exciting stuff. Thank you.
Mind your step.
Adam.
Hello, I'm Adam, or Adshaw. I used to work on Wikibase and Wikidata. I don't so much anymore, but I'm still here partially in one space to look at lots of things Wikibase related. I contribute to this Wikibase World website, which has all the Wikibases in it. On the other side of things, I'm very interested in developer experience. I maintain this tool called MWCLI, which has a bad name. It includes a Docker-based development environment. If you want to develop on MediaWiki using it, or if you do already use it and have some feedback, you should come and find me.
Thank you. Next up, we have Edward.
Hello, user Edward, no affiliation, from Bristol, England. I was Internet Archive for 5 years. The food here is amazing. I've made a category, you can upload photos of the food. 3 tools I'm going to be working on. I've got a tool called FindLink for adding links to articles. It's been broken since the visual editor was a default, which is 7 years or something. A tool for adding depict statements to Wikidata paintings has some bugs I'm going to fix. But my main interest is maps. So I've written software for adding links between OpenStreetMap and Wikidata, and I'm going to be fixing bugs.
Thank you, Steph.
Hi everyone, I'm Ricardo. I work for the foundation, mainly on Wikimedia Enterprise. I'm here to connect with a few of you, normally about citations, Wikidata, Wikibase, and etc. And we have a session tomorrow that we want to showcase a bit of the work we're doing, so maybe you can use it in your hackathons and your stuff and be integrated with the community. So that's all for us. Thank you very much.
Next up is Mike.
Hi, I'm Mike Peel. I'm one of the Wikimedia Foundation Board of Trustees. We've also got Louise and Lorenzo here. Feel free to ask us questions about anything board related while we're here. I take a lot of photos, you might have noticed, and I put all those in Commons, but I'm hopeless at people's names. So I'm trying to get help with identifying who I've taken photos of, and also what's appropriate. Should we all have Wikidata items Commons categories or not? So I'm doing a session later today where we can talk about that and try to do some tagging. Also, anything Wikidata integration related, please feel free to talk to me. Thanks.
And then after Simon, I think we have Brian.
My name is Simon, coming from Austria. I'm interested in photography and I like to know where pictures are taken from. So I created a locator tool that edits Wikitext and Wikidata based on, implemented in Python at the moment, and I would like to move the editing process to the client side using OAuth 2 and maybe the modern REST API. So if anyone can help me or tell me that it is a good or bad idea, please come to me. Thank you.
Thank you. And Brian, you're last, but not least.
Hi, I'm Brian Davis. I work for the Wikimedia Foundation, and I stand where I'm told to stand. I'm mostly just here to help support all of y'all who might be having roadblocks today. So I know about cloud services stuff, I know about GitLab stuff, I know about CI stuff, I know about OAuth stuff a little bit, I know about lots of things. And my little project for the weekend is going to be making a content proxy that lets you load JavaScript files from our GitLab server in your user.js if you want to do such weird things.
Thank you. Thanks everyone for your patience, for your enthusiasm. I think this was more than 85 people presenting on stage within 45 minutes, which is great. Thank you everyone. Thanks for sticking to your allocated time. Amanda will close this session with a few very brief remarks then.
I have nothing else to say. Happy hacking, y'all. Let's get to it.
Woo! Thank you. Oh. Oh, happy hacking. Mind the cat.